My name is Guna Kanapati, matrix number 2012200700 from group 5. Today I would like to present chapter 1 of the assignment. The product that we choose for our assignment is the COVID-19 Braille self-test kit. It is an innovation of the normal self-test kit. Product specially made for the disabilities people, and it helps them to get a chance to test the COVID-19 at the home during this pandemic time. Features of this self-test kit is Braille language added onto the self-test kit and the instruction paper. This is because to help the visually impaired people to be aware of the result. Next, I would like to talk about the product description. The purpose of this self-test kit is to enable everyone to test the COVID-19 if they suspect they might have. This self-test kit is enabled for all, but not everyone can use it. It is specially made for the blind people. It is because the blind people and the disabilities people are not able to use the normal self-test kit. Next, I would like to talk about the opportunity and market of this product. There are two parts in this: externally search and internally search. Lastly, I would like to talk about the assumption and customer expectation. Customer expectation is very important in a business to grow. As a producer of the Braille self-test kit, we should fulfill the expectation and assumption of the customers.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Amri Safa binti Ahmad Sharuni. My matric number is 201220653 and I am from class 21E. So today, I want to discuss about literature review. Data demonstrate the similarity for the COVID self-test kit using nasal, salivar and buccal swab. Every product design development must adhere to 5 product planning process. Firstly, the market for Braille self-test kit must be identified. We have included new technology into our COVID-19 self-test kit to assist the blind and the visual impairment. Step 2 is to evaluate the priorities for the Braille self-test kit design. Step 3 is to distribute resource and planning time for Braille self-test kits. This is based on how long it will take to make them and how hard it to be to get the materials for their product. Step 4 is to finish the pre-project planning so that the Braille self-test kit project may be introduced to the marketplace. And the last step is the product development process. Conclude that this product is appropriate for continued sale in the market since it is very beneficial to person with eyesight impairment.
My name is Ibrahim Naif bin Muhammad Alwi from class 21A. Our group product is a COVID-19 Braille self-test kit. This is customer requirements and technical requirement in house of quality. This is hierarchy of needs. The steps for putting together a hierarchical list of needs are easy to understand, and many teams can do the job without detailed instructions. For completeness, we put together a step-by-step guide starting with general aesthetics, functional behavior, mechanical features, green and ergonomic, also as well as price and warranty. For concept generation for the COVID-19 Braille self-test kit, the project team started apply the 5 steps, that is, clarify the problem, search externally, search internally, explore systematically, and reflect on the solution in the process. That's all from me. Thank you.
Good morning, madam. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Priyadarshini, daughter of Ratnas Bhakti. My matrix card number is 2012200680. I am from 21A. Today I am going to present chapter 3 methodology. Firstly is generic product or market pull product. In our market, there is no COVID-19 self-test kit for blind and visually impaired people. Therefore, we created and designed the COVID-19 Braille self-test kit for blind and visually impaired people while taking the COVID-19 test. The COVID-19 Braille self-test kit is a device that used to detect all types of COVID-19 virus. The second one is a list of customer requirements. In this part, we have conducted question and answer sections with our customers to obtain information about their needs and wants to build our product based on it. Examples of needs that asked by customers are Braille system, single-use product, needs to get a quick result, not heavy, and small to carry anywhere, and more.
My name is Ichiro, and today I will share about methodology of our group report, which is our product is Burial Self-Test Kit. This is the question asked with priority. On the list, you can see have 10 questions, which is the priority rate from most is the first one, number 1, and the least priority is number 5. In this survey and interview, we have participated with 30%, which is based on age, income, gender, occupation. In general, classification question based on age, income, gender, and occupation from 30 respondents, which is participated in our survey and interviews. In aesthetic, classification question based on user comfortable and qualities to collect feedback from them for the improvement of our product. In function behavior, classification question based on user demands or need. In mechanical feature, green and ergonomic and price and warranty, classification question based on user level of income, needs and demand, and environment. We try our best to lower the risk of pollution to the environment and bring the green to environment and also economy. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Ilya binti Saharudin, metric number 201220640, and I'm from 21A. I would like to present Chapter 4, Result and Discussion for this assignment. This is the overall component of our products, which is COVID-19 Braille Self-Test Kit. The features of our products include first, sample via pouch. Next, we have power button for switch on and off the device. Thirdly, speaker or beeper. Fourth, touchpad with vibrator. And lastly, light signal. Furthermore, COVID-19 Braille Self-Test Kit was innovated using alternate methodologies. Voice of customer are the method that we use to collect customer questions and product assumptions. The questions requirements are then listed. Customer mostly ask about products, function, and appearance. These questions clarify customer expectations for self-test kit. Based on the bar graph of customer questions and assumptions, 8 requirements are listed as shown in the graph. Customers are asked to rank requirement from 1 to 5, with 5 being the most important and 1 being the least. Consequently, these methods result in most requirements being above 3, indicating that most of the requirements are wanted by the customers. Besides, the only technical requirement ranked third by customers is the product's ability to detect all variants, due to the usage of self-test kits is to detect COVID-19 variant and not necessarily all types of variants. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jeshinai from class 21A and my matrix number is 201220544. I'll continue presenting on the data analysis part. The next part is interpreting the data of the question sequence. Question sequence is determining the order of the questions arranged in the survey. For our product, we have prepared 10 questions for our customers, and through the methodology conducted, we have ranked the questions according to customer priority rate from the most important question, which is number 1, to the least important question, which is number 5. Next is analyzing the data of customer demographics. We conducted the survey with 30 customers who voluntary participants. The 30 participants are divided according to 4 demographics, which is gender, age, occupation, and income. The first demographics is gender. The pie chart shows that 60% of our customers are female and other 40% are male. This proves that our product has impression on both male and female customers. The next demographic is the age. The pie chart shows that the most of the participants are around the ages of 30 and above. This shows that most of the younger generations do not use self-test kits as often as the adults. The demographic of occupation and income are correlated. The income segmentation is decided by the occupation sectors. From both of the pie charts, it can be seen that a large number of participants work in the medical sector and also as an educator. The basic income of these people ranges from 1,901 to 2,900. Hence, proof that a large fraction of people could afford our product. With that, I would like to end my presentation. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Grace daughter of Michael from class 21A. COVID-19 can make anyone fall sick. There are many COVID-19 self-test kits are selling in the market. However, there is no self-test COVID test invented for blind people. Therefore, my groupmates plan to invent COVID-19 brilliant self-test kit. One of the recommendation is to safe to use, and secondly, create with more quality, and lastly is sell at the affordable buying price. Thank you.